Breaking: Winchester's new facility challenges Czech ammo monopoly, while foreign conglomerates are busy swallowing up America's biggest ammo brands. A domestic manufacturer just broke ground on a project the other side of the Atlantic didn't see coming. And it's not just another building. It's a direct shot across the ocean at a monopoly no one ever voted for. But can a single facility stand up to a $2 billion European takeover of America's ammunition supply? We're about to explore why Winchester's massive 6.8 plant in Lake City isn't just another military contract, it's a strategic move to secure capability, control, and production right here on American soil. This project goes hand in hand with Olin's surprise acquisition of Ammo Incorporated's cutting-edge plant in Wisconsin, a move that could shake both the civilian market and the Czech-controlled empire behind Federal, Remington, and Speer. Missouri and Wisconsin are now ground zero in the fight to reclaim America's ammo industry. When the Czechoslovak group wired $2 billion to purchase Vista Outdoor's Kinetic Division, Federal, Remington, CCI, and Speer started taking orders from Prague. A third of U.S. ammunition production fell under foreign command. Suddenly, American shooters realized those boxes of American Eagle weren't so American anymore. Supply now hinged on European boardroom priorities. Then came a cold February morning in Independence, Missouri, when bulldozers rolled through the gates of the Lake City ammunition plant. This wasn't just a photo op. Winchester was drawing a line in the sand. The new facility spans 450,000 square feet, designed from the ground up for 6.8 mm cartridges that punch through steel plates where 5.56 fails. This isn't just a win for the military. Every time the Department of Defense adopts a new caliber, it creates an entire ecosystem: brass, dies, powders, surplus rifles ready for civilian use. Winchester just ensured that ecosystem takes root in the U.S., not overseas. Over 90% of construction contracts are going to American firms. Dozens of local businesses benefit. Skilled workers have reason to stay, not leave. Unlike ESG-bound foreign conglomerates pushing for lead bans, Winchester is an American company, accountable to shareholders who believe in the Second Amendment. This Lake City expansion keeps technology, know-how, and raw material contracts inside borders D.C. can't afford to ignore. Some fear that tying civilian supply to a military facility means shortages when the Pentagon ramps up. But history says otherwise. During the pandemic, military lines kept running, while purely commercial plants got locked down. And when the panic ended, those lines kept humming instead of shutting down from vanishing orders. But the surprises didn't stop there. In April, Winchester inked a deal to buy Ammo Incorporated's Manitowoc, Wisconsin facility, home to fully automated lines, industrial-scale heat ovens, and a massive potential for small-caliber production. Now Winchester can let Lake City handle military volume, shift specialty calibers to Manitowoc, and free up legacy plants like East Alton for everyday handgun ammo. The result? Lower costs, an estimated $40 million in savings, and real room for innovation. From subsonic 6.8 Hog rounds to 357 SIG, built to pierce autoglass projects once killed off due to inefficient tooling, now have a green light. Even more exciting, Winchester plans to revive classic calibers like .32 20.351 SL and 3840 trivial to investors, but vital for preserving rare manufacturing skills, like drawing ultra-thin brass and forming bottlenecks, techniques that matter in modern high-pressure ammo development. The profits from these moves don't just make quarterly reports prettier, they're armor against political attacks and environmental restrictions. While the Czech conglomerate relies heavily on European defense contracts, Winchester answers to American hunters, shooters, and voters. There's no exit route, only performance and loyalty. The 6.8 mm cartridge, launching a 135 grain projectile at nearly 3,000 feet per second from a 16-inch barrel, offers energy rivaling classic battle rifles, but with manageable recoil. Civilian versions could hit store shelves as early as 2027, including hunting, match, and polymer-tipped variants. When early adopters jump in, prices drop, demand grows, and the cycle continues just like the AR-1515's rise. Vista's brands still produce quality ammo, but their marching orders now come from Brussels. A continent-wide lead ban could force their R&D teams to shift away from proven formulas. That gives Winchester a powerful hedge and all-American supply chain ready to step in when others stumble. Consumers play a crucial role. Every box of ammo you buy is a vote for freedom, innovation, and American jobs. Be informed. Shop smart. Support the companies betting big on this country. Winchester just launched a bold counteroffensive. The only question is, whose side are you on?